In today's video, I'll show you how to upload audio in Canva to bring your designs, presentations, and videos to life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick design tips. Start by logging into your Canva account and opening your project. On the left panel, click the Uploads button. This is your gateway to adding your own media. Next, click Upload Files, which opens a File Explorer window. Locate the audio file on your computer. You'll want MP3 or WAV formats for best compatibility, and click Open to start the upload. As your file uploads, it will appear in Canva's media library. Here's a quick tip. Make sure your audio is high quality, as clear sound enhances your project's professionalism. Once uploaded, drag and drop the audio onto your canvas. You can position it, adjust the volume, and even trim it to fit perfectly with your visuals. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can upload audio and elevate your Canva projects with music, narration, or sound effects. Experiment with different audio files to find the perfect vibe for your design. Thanks for watching. Start adding audio today and make your Canva projects more engaging than ever.